Good morning, all. Today we are going to start our session with a beautiful thought. Save water, save earth. Means अगर हमें अपनी अर्थ को बचाना है तो हमें पानी बचाना होगा. Water is very precious. We should not waste water. Water is very important to us. Man, animals, and plants cannot live without water. Everyone needs water. So, we should not waste water. As I told you that 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water, but only 3% of water is fresh water, which is used for drinking. In this session, we are going to learn about water bodies. So, let's start. Water that is found on the earth is either salty or fresh. We use fresh water for drinking, cooking, bathing, and many other things. Melted snow and rain gives us fresh water. Most of the water present on the earth is salty. This water cannot be used for our daily use. Some water bodies that are present on the earth are as follows: lake, pond, river, sea, and ocean. Lake. When water collects in a large area of land, it is called a lake. There are so many beautiful lakes in India, like Nakhi Lake in Mount Abu, Dal Lake in Jammu Kashmir, etc. Pond. A pond is a smaller area of land where water collects. It is formed naturally or artificially. It is smaller than lake. River. A river contains fresh water. Some of the rivers start from snow covered mountains. They get fresh water from the melting snow of mountains. A river flows across the surface of the earth. A river is a flowing, moving stream of water. Usually, a river feeds water into an ocean, lakes, ponds, or even glaciers. Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada are some examples of Indian rivers. Sea. A sea is a large water body. It contains a lot of salty water. This water is not drinkable. Ocean. Ocean is the largest water body on the earth. It is larger than a sea. It also contains salty water. Example: the Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Kids, we should keep our water bodies clean. Drinking dirty water can make us ill. Many people wash clothes and bathe animals in water bodies, throwing wrappers, plastic cans, and other waste into water bodies make water polluted. Waste from factories also pollutes water bodies. Did you know Ganga is the largest river in India? Today, the Ganga is considered to be the fifth most polluted river in the world. River Ganga is severely polluted with human waste and industrial waste. The river provides water to about 40% of India's population. Kids, the earth gives us water and food. We must keep our earth green and clean. Polluted land, water, and air is harmful for us. Animals, plants, and humans need all of these to live. Now, let's enjoy a beautiful video.
Landforms. Earth's surface or land is present in many forms. Some landforms are mountains, hills, deserts, and plains. A large area of land that is flat is called a plain. Land that is higher than plains is called a hill. It is neither very hot nor very cold on the hills. Mountains are higher than hills. They have steep slopes and sharp peaks. It is very cold on the mountains all year round. Most of the high mountains have snow-covered peaks. Plateaus are slightly raised lands with a flat top. They are mostly surrounded on one or more sides by steep slopes. A plateau usually looks like a tabletop. A desert is a dry place. Not too many plants and animals are found here. Cactus is a special kind of plant that is found mostly in hot deserts. Water bodies. Most of the water present on the earth is salty. This water cannot be used for our daily needs. On the other hand, we use fresh water for drinking, cooking, bathing, and many other things. Melted snow and rain gives us fresh water. A river contains fresh water. It mostly starts from snow-covered mountains. It gets fresh water from the melting snow of mountains. A river flows across the surface of the earth. When water collects in a large area of land, it is called a lake. A sea is a large water body. It contains a lot of salty water. Ocean is the largest water body on the earth. It is larger than sea. It also contains salty water.
I hope you properly understood this session. Soon we will meet. Goodbye.